How to get a mosquito-free backyard. There are many products that claim to get rid of mosquitoes and give you a mosquito-free backyard. However, it can be hard to know what will really work. Learn how to keep mosquitoes out of your backyard and so that you can enjoy yourself without nasty mosquito bites. The first step to having a mosquito-free backyard is to remove anything from your backyard that would attract mosquitoes if possible. Some things that attract mosquitoes and help them to breed are anything that is collecting water and then sits. Check out plant saucers, candles, toys, etc. and remove any stagnant water. This is a huge mosquito attraction. Additionally, clear away any leaves and debris in your yard, especially that may be damp, and keep any standing water like a pool covered with a tarp or fresh like a dog bowl. The longer water sits, the more likely it is to have mosquito eggs. You need to lessen these to get a mosquito-free backyard. Mosquito magnets. Mosquito magnets are a great option for getting rid of mosquitoes and having a mosquito-free backyard. They have been proven effective in many studies and have avid followers. However, mosquito magnets are an expensive way to get rid of mosquitoes in your backyard and run about $300–500. See the link below to learn more about mosquito magnets. Cutter Bug-Free Backyard Spray Concentrate. This product is a spray that you can buy that cuts down on mosquitoes in your yard. It is safe for children and pets, and according to many reviews it works extremely well by stopping mosquitoes from hatching in your yard as well as repelling them when they attempt to enter.